In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flash fill in Microsoft Excel. Flash fill is a powerful feature in Microsoft Excel that can recognize a pattern in your data and automatically fill in the rest of a column. This saves you from manually typing repetitive information or writing complex formulas, making it ideal for combining names, formatting text, or extracting specific data. Let's take a look at the table on screen. Column A has employee IDs, column B contains first names, and column C has last names. Our goal is to combine the first and last names into column D using flash fill. Start by clicking the first cell in column D, next to Alice Johnson in row 2. Type the full name exactly as you want it to appear. In this case, type Alice Johnson and press Enter. This gives Excel an example of the pattern to follow. Next, select the cell with Alice Johnson and drag the small square at the bottom right corner down through the rest of the rows. A small button appears at the bottom of the highlighted area. Click it and choose Flash Fill. Excel will automatically detect the pattern and fill in the rest of the names for each row, giving you Bob Smith in D3, Carol Lee in D4, and David Cruz in D5. It's important to note that flash fill results are not dynamic. If you later change a first or last name, the filled cells will not update automatically. For dynamic updates, you can use the formula equals B2 and quotation mark space quotation mark and C2 to combine names. However, for quick one-time formatting, flash fill is faster and easier. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E to trigger flash fill. For example, if you wanted initials with the last name, you could type AJ for Alice Johnson in D2, press Enter, and then Ctrl+E. Excel will fill the rest of the column following the pattern you set. If flash fill does not detect your intended pattern, provide more examples in the first 2 or 3 rows so Excel can understand the pattern, then press Ctrl+E again to fill the rest of the rows correctly. Flash fill is flexible, efficient, and simple to use. Just define the format you need and Excel will handle the rest, saving time and reducing errors when working with large data sets. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Practicing flash fill will make managing Excel data much quicker and easier.